I know your names, but I don't know about you. So, we're going to draw a face. Draw a circle. Okay, good. Now, instead of drawing a nose, let's write your favorite animal. Favorite animal. What's your favorite animal? If you're doing this in a class, you could use this on a piece of paper, but here we're doing it on a whiteboard. Okay, so what's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a dog.
Good.
My favorite animal is the cat.
Excellent. Okay, now we're going to do the mouth, but instead of a mouth, I want you to write your favorite hobby. For little ones, you could do a drawing of your favorite hobby instead of writing. Okay, so Theo, what's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is climbing.
Good.
My
Good.
favorite hobby is video games.
Excellent. Right, now, I want you to write your age as an I. Your age. Good. Excellent. Now, the other I want you to write if you're a boy or a girl. Good. And now we're going to do our hair. So, I want you to write your favourite foods. So you can have lots.
My favorite food is sushi.
Good. Anything else? Theo, what's your favourite food?
My favorite foods are lasagna and steak.
Steak. Good.
My favorite food is pasta and crepes.
Crepes or pancakes? Yeah. Good, good. Okay, that's good. Good job.